Hello friends, last time we stopped at creating grids and we're on foundation level. So we need to change we are going to insert column footings of foundation at all the intersection of these grids. So we go to structure. Go to structure, then we choose isolated pad. So we need to load the family. So let us use UK. So you go to structure foundations. From under structure foundations, you choose rectangular footing. Okay. So this is our rectangular footing, and these are the properties of this footing. So let us duplicate this. This is the tape, and these are the dimensions. So we can duplicate and have our own. And if you when you go to the type selector under the properties palette, you will see that we have this 450 millimeters 2. This is now our type we are using. So we are going to place it at grids. Can go place it at grids. So when you select at grids, you can select the entire project. Then you can filter. I think when you select all the grids, they are going to detect the intersections, and that's where we're going to insert our columns. Actually our footings. Okay, but it's bringing us a warning that we cannot see them. So what we can do, it has first go to 3D. Actually they are there in the 3D, you can view them very well. So let us first go to east elevation and we see some of its properties. You see it is exactly below. You cannot see because this is our level. Our level is at elevation -5 and it is going below. The thickness is going below. So we need to go to our floor plan foundation, and then you edit visibility settings, the view range. We need to change the view range such that we can view. So the bottom offset, it has offset it by negative 3000 view depth plan. Okay, view depth pen is set above the bottom. Okay, let us also make this one a bit -300. Okay, so we can easily view our footings now since we have changed the visibility settings. So in the next video we are going to create columns. We are going to create columns. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also click on the notification bell to get notified about the new videos I upload. Thank you.